It's baking day today. Firing up our pizza oven always takes a bit of time and a bit of energy, so I like to make the most of it. Today I'm mixing up a batch of hamburger buns and breakfast rolls. Yesterday I made dough for a whole batch of pizzas, and I've also got a couple of sourdough loaves on the go. We batch bake our pizza bases, so when we've got customers it's quick and easy to get a pizza on the table for them. Today we're cooking 24 pizza bases. And I haven't done it much for a while because during the hot season it's really too much to be standing in front of the oven and doing this, and it's always interesting to get into it again. And next it was on to my sourdough loaves. This has been a real challenge for me to experiment with sourdough, mainly because our weather here is so hot and humid. But these two loaves so far have been the best that I've made, even though the white loaf was a bit overproofed. Getting the temperature of the oven right for the pizzas and then the sourdough and then the buns is also something I'm experimenting with and learning as I go. With the pizzas it needs to be as hot as we can, and then with the sourdough it needs to be somewhat cooler, and then the buns and the bread rolls it needs to be just a bit cooler again. I'm happy with the results of these. We're considering adding hamburgers to our menu here at Soonesock Homestay. And a hamburger with a homemade soft white bun is always the best. I hope you've enjoyed this short video about our bread making day. If you'd like to see more about our wood-fired oven and our bread making experimentation, please leave us a comment below. And if you'd like to see more of our lifestyle here at Soonesock Homestay in Northern Thailand, please check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching.